The date is the 8th of February 2024. The time is 11:17 a.m. and as you can see, it's snowing. And I just looked online on Google, and it says snow can represent emptiness and death. Well, this is a sign from Jehovah, because Watchtower are emptiness. They have nothing about them. They're a satanic cult that the demons are in control of, and the death of Watchtower is coming, because I will destroy them very soon. I'm not saying when, because basically I'm not telling anybody the date. But snow can also represent peace, which is going to come to Jehovah's Witnesses when I've taken over the Watchtower. My name James, well, in Hebrew it's Jacob. In Greek it's James, and James means supplanter. And what supplanter means is somebody who takes the position of another by force, or usurps the position of another. So Jehovah gave me the name James because he knows I'm going to destroy Watchtower and take them over. So that's what my name James means. My name Hashay, H-A-C-C-H-E, actually means gate or door, and the modern version of Hashay is hatch, and that means a small gate. And if you remember, Jesus said in Matthew chapter 7, I think it is, that to go in through the narrow gate or the small gate. And also Jesus said, I am the door to the sheep. So that name, James Hashay, applies in every way. So, as I say, something happened yesterday that was very, very strange. I've been working out the code for the universe and how it works, and finally I cracked the code of the universe and how it works. And I'm not going to say what happened, but the whole internet changed. Google, Twitter, Instagram, websites, BBC, everything changed. I'm not saying what happened, but I know Jehovah is with me. That was a sign that I have cracked the code of the universe. So Watchtower are definitely going down. I know how the universe works, and I'm the prophet Elijah, the true prophet Elijah, of Malachi chapter 3 verse 5, 4 verse 5, and the messenger of the covenant of Malachi chapter 3, and I will cleanse the Watchtower of its demon doctrines and teachings. And if you remember in the Bible, when I was alive, Elijah actually confronted Baal worshippers and totally destroyed them. So yeah, so that's what's going to happen to Watchtower anyway. But we'll see what happens. I know they're going to get destroyed. I'm not saying when, but I'd probably say give it 18 months and Watchtower will be gone. I will have destroyed them. I'm up to something at the minute. I'm not saying what it is because I don't want anybody to know what my plans are. Let my enemies know anything, because they would inform Watchtower. But I'm up to something clever, very clever. So there you have it. I'm going to leave it now. Bye for now.